Redmi 9A forgot password. Let's do this. Turn off the phone. We're going to use volume button and power button. Press volume up and power button. Release power button when you feel vibration. It will get into recovery mode. Press volume button to select. Press power button to confirm. Navigate to wipe data. Press wipe all data. Press confirm. Data is successfully wiped. Now go to reboot. Go to reboot to system. Your phone is successfully reset.
Set up and configure. Your phone is now completely reset.